doesn't know that it's broken. He doesn't think she should. Look at the way she smiles to him. Why would he want to spoil her fun? So she goes on with the tragic line, and it sees joy that keeps him alive. There's no need to bother his daughter with other problems. Dad doesn't know he's sad. She thinks he can't handle that, so she just tries to smile at him. Daddy's already worried enough, so she goes on with the tragic line, and sees joy that keeps him alive. There's no need to bother Daddy with other problems. He can sail on her lanes, wash his feet in her rivers, but he can't travel down to her soul. When he's glad he will sing, and I'm sure she can join him, but she can't sing along to him. And he tries to be nice, and he wants to show affection, but won't count love someone's never known. So they go on with the tragic line. The distance will keep them alive. There's no need to bother each other with other problems. There is a box with unknowns in it. I want to meet them, but my key doesn't fit. I tried so hard to open it up. I wouldn't have thought that meeting people was so tough, but then you came with the key in your hand. Open it up and I started making friends. Making friends. But after a couple of hours, you took the best ones out of the box, and you locked me up with the others. So I kinda felt alone. You are the love and the key at the same time. First you open my world, when I'm happy and lock it down again. I'm hanging above a cloud. There's a crowd waiting for me to fall. A crowd of people I don't want to know. Don't want to fall with my fingers are sliding slow. You put me up, save my life in my crown. But when I thought I was safe, you threw me down. Oh, the cool kids Cuban Libre, we love this soiree. The beer goes on and I'm singing in the bay. Who was that girl and what was her name? I couldn't find him and she went back on a plane. 14 or 14, lying about your age. Funny for me parties followed by a rave.